Welcome to my channel. I have recently relocated to Thailand. My current location is Phuket. Thanks to Phuket Sandbox, I was able to travel. Don't be jealous, you can also visit. I have created few videos on my channel for Thailand pass application. To enter Thailand, the only thing you need is a Thai pass. The link is on screen if you need any help with your application. In this episode, I will cover 5 things that you must take or pack with you if you're traveling to Thailand, being a female. And sorry boys, this episode is not for you. However, if you're traveling with a wife, girlfriend, mistress, you may want to watch it and share it to her. Number 1, shoes. Quality shoes I'm talking about. Of course, you've got every bloody designer if you go to a Naka market. I'm going to Naka market. It's every Saturday and Sunday. Also, I have massive feet. Not like I really want to broadcast it on a YouTube, but it's a reality, okay? To find my size is very difficult. Number 2, bikinis. There are a lot of bikinis here, okay? But if you're flat-chested. So if you've got massive boobs, then take nice bikinis that could help you to support the boobs. Number 3, SPF. I like the spray one because I'm traveling by myself, so when I need to apply it on my back, that's the best one. And by the way, I don't get any commission, just so you know, I'm just sharing best tips. Number 4, skincare. I have so much pigmentation here. So my next video will be about beauty salons in Phuket. So if you are interested, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm at the clinic. I'm waiting for a doctor now. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. First impression, staff are really nice, super nice. I had to fill up about 7 COVID forms. I didn't want to share with them that I had COVID. I just said, no, I'm all good. And yeah, so now I'm gonna have a consultation about all my skin concerns. I'm not sure if doctor is actually ready for me. Yeah, this is how it looks. Right, let me show you what's inside my fridge a second. Dun dun dun, skincare, 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 water, vodka. This is from the neighbor, by the way. I don't really drink that much, but not that much. Majority of the skincare products here has whitening in there. And last one, the most important item, tampons. I mean, I don't use pads, and tampons here are just all weird. So if there is a particular brand or a favorite brand that you are using, make sure you take some with you. I mean, my channel is just full of knowledge. Do you get it? Full of knowledge. So if you don't want to miss out on the next episode, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button, and enjoy my videos. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. But for now, I'll see you next week.